भैया मुझे और एक चीज बताइए, क्या हम लोग सिर्फ रिटर्न देख के म्यूचुअल फंड को सिलेक्ट करते हैं या फिर कुछ और भी फैक्टर्स है जो हम लोग को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए?
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन माय डियर। और एक चीज ध्यान में रखना चाहिए, ओनली ऑन द रिटर्न पर्सपेक्टिव वी शुड नॉट डिसाइड टू टेक द म्यूचुअल फंड एंड एसआईपी। वी शुड आल्सो कंसिडर लाइक अल्फा क्या है, बीटा क्या है, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन क्या है, एक्सपेंस रेशियो क्या है उस फंड का। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अल्फा इज बेसिकली to measure the performance managed by the fund manager which beats the market return or any other benchmark, so forth. Hence, alpha can be positive or negative depending on the performance of the fund manager. Now, what is beta? Beta is basically the volatility of the scheme compared to the market benchmark.
अच्छा,
Beta is more than 1, then it is considered to be the more volatile than compared to its benchmark, and if less than 1, then it is less volatile,
ओके, ये भी अच्छा अच्छा।
and if less than 1, then it is less volatile. Standard deviation shows how much the return of a mutual fund scheme are likely to deviate from its average annual returns. When applied to historical returns, over a period of standard deviation can be used as a tool to measure the volatility of the fund. Higher the standard deviation, higher the volatility. For example, my dear friend, if a mutual fund scheme has a standard deviation of 5 and an average return of 15%, then it means the return can deviate by 5% on the higher side, that is 20%, and 5% on the lower side, that is 10%. A fund with a low standard deviation over some period of 3 to 5 years can mean that the fund has given considered to be the consistent return over the long term. Now, Sharpe ratio. Sharpe ratio divides a portfolio's excess returns by a measure of its volatility to assess risk-adjusted performance. And lastly, we should also consider expense ratio. खर्चे के बिना तो कुछ नहीं होता है. So, expense ratio is basically the annual maintenance charged by the mutual fund to finance its expenses. It includes the annual operating cost, including management fees, maintenance expenses, entry load, exit load, allocation charge, advertisement cost, brokerage fees, etc. of the fund. So, my dear friend, कोई भी म्यूचुअल फंड या एसआईपी लेने से पहले रिटर्न्स और ये सब चीजों को भी ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. Then you can take a right call for your portfolio.